Hey everybody, Jason here. Happy Monday. Hope you guys are all having a great day. So, short week this week. We only have 3 days of real trading. Thursday, market closed, and then Friday it closes early, I do believe. So, this is already almost a third of our day or a third of our week done in today. So, we're up a bit today. Tesla green. And one thing I just want to talk about with Tesla, I know we're all super excited when it goes and it rockets up, and a lot of people were thinking this is just going to happen. We were going to break out $1,200 today. Didn't happen. But thank goodness we actually want more time at a consolidating level. Gives us way more comfort in put credit spreads. I mean, it gives us everything we need, right? We need time for our calendars to decay. We need time for our put credit spreads to decay. And at the same time, it still gives us opportunities like these dips. If you're able to jump on them and not freak out and just see, oh no, it's going down, it's probably just going to keep going down, which just normally doesn't happen. I know there's some companies, PayPal, where it keeps, you go to buy the dip and it keeps on dipping. I don't think that's the case. We've already had a bit of price discovery and a great bounce back from the lows, even with the news that with Elon selling. So to me, that area is just opportunity. And while we're sitting here in this range, it gives us more comfort. So we can sell put credit spreads at 1,000 or 900 and collect still. The premium to me is still insane. Down at $900, you can collect a decent amount 4 to 6 weeks out. It's nothing to scoff at. Where when we really are sideways for a long time, that gets to be less and less. So this volatility is fantastic for us. And if we were to go up and Tesla's hitting $1,300, $1,400, $1,500, you have to think about what are you going to do at $1,500. Are you going to sell put credit spreads at 14, 13? Are you going to be comfortable there at $1,500 if it rocketed up in the last couple of weeks? I wouldn't be comfortable at $1,300 for sure. So as long as it's staying in this range and we can sell them at 1,000, somewhere in there, to me, this is just beautiful for me. So careful what we wish for. Over the next year, we're definitely going to be drifting higher. But anytime we see like that major spike up, there's always kind of that threat of some profit taking and some pullback. A lot of this here, I think, was just overall market sentiment today. And now we're just kind of chilling up in the range, up $37. Fantastic. And what did we do today? We're up like 10,000. Pretty crazy day. Started off the day obviously like nice and far up. And then we dipped down all the way down. I think we sat at a minus 1,000 or two for a few minutes before bouncing back up. But this is all beautiful. And then just the other thing, kind of thinking about this, especially in the Discord, we were talking about this, like this. Well, I mean, this is my account, but it's pretty reflective of Tesla. But if we look at this, like over the past year, plenty of people, I know they got out like right when we were up here hitting these all-time highs and everything was sunshine and roses up here. And then we had that huge pullback. So major dip there. And this was a place, anywhere in here where people are frustrated, got out, quit, and kind of started doing some other things. Hopefully they had some success in those other arenas. A lot of people did. But that for me, that dip in my account, that was, where's that? That's here. So that was a dip down to about half of my account value. 120 from, so we lost about half of our account value. And believe me, there were other places along this road that were very stressful. That was pretty stressful. First time I went through that kind of big of pullback. But even initially I started this with $500. So going from, that was up 37,000 to up 50,000, that $20,000 pullback, I was like, man, like I should be done it now. And then we, let's see what we're up, 130 here, and brought it all the way back down to 80. So that was like a $50,000 loss at these points. So any of these dips, I mean, even taking this high from 360 right down to 250, $110,000 loss in some of those time periods, they seem pretty crazy, and definitely a scary and stressful time. That's why I like to take money out and either in cash, pay myself, stick it in my account, buy shares with it, something that's not at risk anymore. But any of those times, those are they're easy quitting points, and I think the real difference between people who are successful and not is just sticking with it. Like I 100% wholeheartedly believe that, unless you're totally, crazy YOLO, playing stupid things, not managing your positions. I think you definitely can get bitten at this point or at that point, but with a little bit of experience, kind of knowing what to expect, making plays that you understand how to get in, get out of them, have stop losses, know how to manage your risk, know what to do. Like, okay, we have a plan for if this underlying stays the same, but if it drops 20%, 30%, 40%, what's a game plan after that? And I do believe that's the huge difference, because just overall, I mean, with this to me, that's beautiful. But in a microcosm from here to here, that sucks. That it honestly is. That's kind of like a defeating feeling moment. But I also have enough confidence in the plays that I'm making to feel very confident about where I would be on the other side of things when things come out. I'm trading, again, I've said it a million times, I'm trading for years from now. I'm not trading for weeks from now. It's pretty cool sometimes to see the crazy days when we're up a Camry. And that's pretty cool to see. But in reality, I'm not trading to try to take the money out next week. Although now I will be taking out at least $3,000 a month to pay some sweet taxes. All right. So other than that, today I did open up some more put credit spreads, rolled some stuff out. So I did open up these two 1100 1095 expiring on 12/3. Very, very aggressive, not recommended. And then I moved a lot of stuff up to 1020s and 1000. I had those lingering down like in the 800s, so there was almost no money to collect. $1,000, very confident in those. And the reason that we didn't have them sooner is because we didn't have the bounce back yet. So I wasn't sure when that was going to happen, how quick that was going to happen. But to me, the fact that we had a great bounce back and we've been sitting at these levels, confirmation, and that gives me my comfort to play up there. This Friday, our half day, we will get all these 10-3s rolled out to a further date, which will probably be about 2 weeks from that point. Collect some more credits and open up some more put credit spreads. And that is it for this account. I did make one play in the smaller IRA account. So this is the smaller, or not the smaller IRA account. It's a smaller account. It's my IRA. It's bigger of the two. It's not the $600 account, or not the big account I have on. So you can see so far we are up $89 today. Overall, we are down $323. We have a little bit of ways to go, but I did make my one trade. Let's see if I can see the activity here. So this is the one that I got filled on. I moved the December 17th out to December 23rd, and I moved those up to $1,000 $9.95 strike prices on the Christmas Eve, and we collected $77 for that. So the rest of, let's see, what's our other positions? We do have quite a ways to go. January 2022 on the 21st, so we have a little ways for that to go. I'll probably be looking at making another deposit into this account of $2,000. I will eventually have $6,000 in this account. I just made the one initial $2,000 deposit, and then our small, is this her? No. Oh, I was going to say, I was like, that's not the account I intended on showing. Okay. And this is our other small account, $600. So we still have these, our 1050s, 1045s. I think I paid to move these guys out. I can't quite remember. Oh no, we have about $100 in those. So I'm gonna let those go where they're at. We basically have a month. This will be a slow grower. It's not like one of these things can multiply into 5 very quickly, of course, unless we have a Tesla stock split. So there you go. Big account, small accounts. I did post the IRA play in the Discord, so you guys have that one in case you need it. Other than that, I think we are all set for today, and I think that's about it. Any questions, let me know. Love you guys. Have a great day and make a lot of money.